Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alicia if you're new to my channel. If you're not new to my channel, thank you for coming back. So today I am doing another hair review, but this one is with Beautiful Princess. They sent me this, I've been getting so lucky with the gems lately. Like, this wig is absolutely stunning, okay? Stunning, length, volume, thick, root to tip, like, she is giving fabulous wedding hair, okay? And I got my side part. I don't know if y'all know, but apparently the new generation, they don't even like side parts. They only do middle parts. And as I look at myself, I'm just like, and what's wrong? I'm sorry, what's wrong with the side part? Excuse me? Anyway. But if you guys want to see me install this, if you guys want to see all the details and everything, please continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram right here so you can follow me there. I am going to be having a giveaway soon, so make sure you guys are following me on Instagram, because you have to be following me on Instagram to enter the giveaway. So definitely follow me on Instagram, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and let's go ahead and get started. All right, y'all, so we're back. Today we're working with Beautiful Princess Hair. This is my first time working with them, so let's see what they put in their bags, okay? So first we have a hair card with their socials and all that good stuff. You can get this wig on AliExpress, some wig caps, and some lashes. All right, then the wig comes in this baggie here. It is a body wave, 220% density, 13 by 6, 26 inches. Okay. Let's see, is it giving full? Is it giving a thick ponytail? Righty, so out of the package, it looks absolutely beautiful. Very beautiful. Here is a close-up on the ends. It looks really good. The luster is giving very natural, not too shiny, not too dull. All right, it is a 13 by 6, so look at all that parting, y'all. Oh my gosh, that is so deep down the middle. That is so deep. Like, my middle part is about to be so deep. Should I do a middle part? I don't even know. But anyway, this is the lace. The lace does look pre-plucked. It does look very nice. Very, very nice. And they have some baby hairs in there, which is very good. It has some extra lace in the back for you, adjustable straps. We have 4 combs inside. What I'm gonna do off camera is I'm going to put some foundation on the lace. I'm going to cut the lace, and I'll probably pluck it a little bit as well. But this is giving, I mean, it is giving thick, and it feels bomb, bomb, bomb. And I probably won't even want to cut anything off the ends. The ends look pretty good. Honestly, I don't know how I'm gonna style this today, to be honest. I don't even know, but she does feel and look very luxurious, very luxurious. So yes, I am excited about this. The 220% is coming through on the track, okay? Yes, baby girl. She looks good. All right, I'll be right back. All right, you guys, I am done. I am done. And let me tell you, this hair was acting right. Do you see all this hair, y'all? This hair is so gorgeous. It's so full. Like, I'm hot. It's 90 degrees today, but I'm so hot. but this hair is absolutely so beautiful. It curled really nicely. I just used my flat iron to curl this hair. Hold on, I didn't even show y'all the back. All right, so this hair is just absolutely beautiful. I love it so much. The length is very nice. It is 26 inches, y'all. It's 26 inches. Definitely not for the heat. As you can see, it's sticking to my poor skin because I'm a sweater. But for the evening or in the winter, this is definitely like some wedding hair. This is special occasion hair. Like, you got inches, baby. I really, really love this. Absolutely love it. Make sure you guys check out Beautiful Princess. This right here is a gem. Again, this is a 220% density. So if you want a full wig like this, definitely get the 220% density. I believe they give you different options. You can go like lower if you want to, but if y'all know me, I like a full head of hair. But yes, this baby is so beautiful. I love it. I love it so much. So make sure you guys check out the description box for all the information on this hair, where you can find it, all that good stuff. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, y'all. I'm going to be having a giveaway soon. I promise. I'm going to be having a giveaway soon. I'm going to give away a brand new wig, actually very similar to this one. So make sure you guys are subscribed. You have your post notifications on so you can get notified when I drop that giveaway video. Make sure you follow me on Instagram because I will be announcing the winner on there as well. But I promise I will get that giveaway video up so we can start giving away shit, okay? Again, thank you guys so much for coming to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.